Hi, this is Kimono Rider. I'm gonna join in a MotoGymkhana race today. Today, I'm in Chaya Cup Run 4, which isn't an official event but as a fun one. The organizers' attempt is quite unique this time. They arrange two identical courses and two riders go at once. Apparently, people can compare which is faster, so I don't want to ride with a better one. And guess what? I got a 360 degrees camera called Insta360 One X2, and the viewers are unique. I hope you would watch this video until the end to enjoy them. Let's take a look at the course for today. For both of course A and B, this map is used. Generally, MotoGymkhana course is set for approximately from 70 to 100 seconds course, while this time's one was set around 40 seconds. That means quite simple, but we can't make any tiny mistakes. Let's start walking to memorize the course. We only have two chances to ride. This time, blue cones aren't used and all in red. It seems too hard to identify the correct ones. Of course, if we take a wrong way, we are disqualified. The walking time is almost over. I need to change my clothes and warm up my VTR. Time for riding. Now I'm ready to go. Yes, I will do my best. This time I mounted a 360 degrees camera from the back. Let's enjoy the views. I'm gonna set it on a different position later. Before going to the main course area, I need to enter a warm-up section. Okay, I'm in the course. Let's go. I'm checking braking and acceleration work. Also check the ground conditions too. Okay, who's in my back? Wow! It's a bit hard to tell it from my camera. The guy is wearing Spider-Man's costume. As this event is for fun and not official, sometimes people wear funny garments. What should I wear next time? Demon Slayer's Hog? I like Japanese animations, by the way. I fall off quite often, but not this time. I don't want to break my camera. The ground condition isn't bad in spite of coldness in November. Raising a hand means I'm leaving the section. My turn has been approaching and I will move to the final preparation area, figure 8 zones. As usual, I put the map on the tank for memory. Don't forget the course. While I'm waiting, let's check the tachometer to see the idling. I like to set it higher. This time, we are given 2 figure 8s before riding the main course. This is the end of November, so I'm very scared to lose temperature of the high gripping tires as they might slip and cause falling. Therefore, we need to utilize these zones to let the tires keep warm enough. Okay, my turn has been coming. I'm so unsure about the course. Let's check the map again. It's quite unusual that we have such a vertical long course. Also, we have ride with someone together, and we don't have blue corns. Every single thing is unusual. I hope I would be okay. It's a fun event, but still a race. My target time is 37 seconds, this time to get promoted to the upper intermediate. This is the first time for me to show mic angles. When I don't turn tightly, I scream R all the time. I'm rather good at slalom than rotations, so today is maybe good for me. On the next lane, another rider is riding too. And when I turn, sometimes I can see his progress and he's driving me in a hurry. Okay, this is my last rotation screaming art. I don't run within 37.7, but might be able to run faster than the guy in the next lane. That was exciting. my god. My second trial didn't go well. I failed to start and got penalized 1 second, but except for that, I was supposed to shorten approximately 0.6 seconds beside the penalty. When's my success coming? Okay, let's forget about the result. We had a fun training after the race. I'm mounting the camera at the front like this. Let's see how it looks like. This position is interesting as you can see my face and also what I'm seeing around me. Oh, I found a rider with a maid costume. Let's follow her or him. I don't know. Wow, she rides very fast, amazing. Like this, the camera can record how I'm chasing her by setting it at the front. Actually, the camera takes whole around views, and after taking the film, I use an app to which direction I choose afterwards. We still have a time for retrying the main course again. Here is the starting grid. Let's wait for the starting signal. This time, please enjoy both of the views by drone and Insta360 ONE X2. The next to my course, an upper intermediate rider is running. I'm doing pretty well, aren't I? You can see why identical course is fun because of the drone view. We can compete against each other. Okay, now I'm going to the final figure 8. Actually, he's slightly faster than me. Okay, now we are going. Woo! 37.368. Do you know what it means? Actually, upper intermediate criteria is 37.797. Oh my goodness, I cleared it. It's not official result, but I'm capable of upper intermediate. Yay! The sunset is so beautiful. I think I can get promoted next season. If you like this video, please leave a comment. Danke schön. Bye bye bye.